All right.
So 2021, Royal Q was introduced in Malaysia, okay, and out of China. Just to share a bit of background about Royal Q, Royal Q is from China, has been operating in China since 2017, guys. Okay, later I'll show you all some of these old traders who are still trading in Royal Q. When we go to the app, and you can see that this bot is very long in the market already. But it was introduced outside of China in the last 2 months only, guys. Yes, only in the last 2 months, okay? It was uploaded on App Store and Play Store. For your kind information, you know, in China, they don't use App Store and Play Store, right? So it was uploaded on App Store and Play Store in the last 2 months. And since that, Royal Q now is like getting famous in every country. I have friends from India calling me, asking me to join Royal Q. I got friends in Malaysia, in Vietnam. I mean, these people are approaching me to come and join in Royal Q. So that's how fast Royal Q is growing in the market. Why? Because basically it's a quantification trading, Royal quantification in English, okay? It helps us to trade, okay? So I'm going to show you a bit of introduction about it, and then we will go on further. Now, one very important thing about trading, guys, okay, or about any schemes. Let's talk about schemes, right? Today, some of you come here, you all might be thinking this is another money game scheme that you would have heard out there. I'm sure every one of us today here, or we would have known someone who would have burned their fingers in some scams or some money game, guys. Okay, that is out there. And as long as we human, we have the tendency to make more, we get ourselves into this trouble. But what is the difference between all the other money games out there and Royal Q? Okay, the first thing, guys, is fund security. Fund security of quantitative transaction. Okay. Now, one thing is important here is our capital. Okay, modal kita, our capital have to be safe. Correct or not? That's what we want. We want to put our money somewhere where we don't lose our capital. So, what is a money game? Let's talk about money game first. Money game are schemes where people will ask you to come and invest your money or your cryptocurrency in their platform. Okay, meaning you need to send your crypto to them, and they will do whatever managing your crypto, whatever business they're going to do, and they will pay you a dividend. Normally, they will offer you 10-20% a month. This is what money game is. Now, sending your cryptocurrency to this type of platform or people, there is a risk, because if they do any mistake or anything happens, you are the one who's going to cry, right? You will lose your money. And trust me, there's a saying, guys, when your money is yours, it's yours. The minute you hand over to somebody else, it's theirs. It's no more yours, right? So here, you need to be careful. That's money game, where you lose money. Now, what is the difference between those money games and Royal Q? Okay, the first difference, guys, is fund security of quantitative transaction, meaning we are API, we authorize the board to work with your own Huobi or Binance exchange. Okay, basically we use API from Binance or Huobi, we connect it to the bot, so that way the bot is connected to your exchanger, your own account. Okay, and what the bot can do, the bot is allowed to do reading, it can read the market, and the bot is allowed to trade with your permission. Okay, it can trade for you. Besides that, your funds, your profits, everything will be in your own Binance account. You can check it anytime, it's safe there. And best part, if you're not happy, you don't want to use the bot anymore, once you already learn about crypto, you can unbind the bot anytime from your Binance account. Okay, now this is the best part. That means, guys, remember today, before we continue, your capital is going to be sitting in your own Binance account. Okay, your profits, that whatever the bot is going to earn for you, also will be sitting in your own Binance account, only accessible by you. You're the only person who can withdraw it. Okay, and why Binance? Okay, I'm not very familiar with Huobi, guys, but Binance, I've been using Binance since 2017. In fact, just to share with you, I'm one of the representative of Binance in Malaysia. Okay, and I do attend some events for Binance and everything before. So I trust Binance. I do all my tradings with Binance. Okay, so it's one of the most secure exchanges today in this world, can say like that. And you can do everything. Later, I'll show you more about Binance. So here, first thing, guys, your funds are secured. Okay. Second thing, how does quantitative trading make money? So basically, the board uses advanced mathematical models to replace human subjective judgments and use computer technology to select a variety of high probability events that can bring excess return from huge historical data to formulate strategies. Okay. Now, guys, before I continue here, this English was translated directly from Chinese. So I will do my best to make it a proper English. Okay. So, just follow, just bear with me. Yeah. And let computer replace manual arbitrage of buying low and selling high. Basically, the same thing, guys. The board will buy low, sell high. Okay. So trading logic to earn the differences in profit. Okay. That's one thing. Second thing, the benefits of quantitative trading. It greatly reduces the impact of market volatility on investments and on investors' sentiment, guys. Okay. Now, this is the thing, guys. As a trader, if you are trading yourself, whether you trade in forex, stock market, any market, let's call it, okay. There's one thing about when we trade ourselves. One problem is we have emotions, right? We have fear, we have greed, right? And always, as a trader, you need to control these emotions. But guys, let me tell you, 99% of people out there, they cannot control these emotions, right? It's only the 1% people who can control because they control the market. Simple as that. We call them the whales, right? So they will know when it's going up, when it's coming down because they control the market. Balance 99% of people are coming to this market only to make some profit, right? So you cannot control your fear. So, but the best part, guys, the board got no emotions. So the board will never become greedy. The board will never have fear, right? When the profit is there, the board will take profit. We all will do what? Profit making, we will wait because we are greedy, ma. We want to wait for it to go a bit more higher so that we can make more money. But you know what happens? In the pursuit of making more money, we end up closing the trade with a loss. Okay. So this is why the benefit of quantitative trading using a board, it helps us to manage our emotions. Okay. So basically, you can see here making irrational investment decisions when the market is extremely fanatic or pessimistic. It is an essential tool for investors to avoid subjective judgment errors. It also has advantages of high efficiency discipline system, and it also saves labor costs. Okay. Types of quantitative transaction, guys, there's many types of arbitrage out there. Okay, you have P2P arbitrage, there's many, but for Royal Q quantification is kind of trend trading arbitrage. Okay, it trend trading arbitrage. The digital currency is traded 24 hours, 7 days a week. Whether you are sleeping, you are awake, the board is working for you. And there are many types of cryptocurrencies that the board allow you to choose that you can trade. Best part is global investors participate in this transaction, so it is full of opportunities for investment arbitrage. Okay. Now, why do they choose exchanges like Binance, Huobi? Why they never go to ABC Exchanger? Because, guys, very simple. To do a successful trade, you need to work with an exchanger which has high volume in transactions and trades. So one of them I know is Binance. Okay, they are basically their volume almost $1 trillion, guys. Okay, so that's one of the biggest in the world today for Binance. Okay. Now, so just to share a bit about currency quantification, since the birth of Bitcoin, January 2009, it has experienced countless ups and downs, guys. Okay, and now it has become a popular investment target for major institutions like Wall Street, Tesla, Grayscale. All these big companies are coming into cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin mainly. Okay, a house in the second tier and third tier cities of the currency is something that many people dare not imagine. So basically, guys, we talk about stock market, US stock market. We call that the first tier house, right? And when it comes to cryptocurrency, forex, all they are rated as second or third tier, right? So a lot of people are afraid to come into the second or third tier assets, right? Because of the volatility of the market. So I understand that, guys, because trust me, you need to lose a lot of money to learn all this, right? And I have gone through that. So I'm telling you from experience, right? Now, if I would have gone back in 2012, and if I was able to have a board like Royal Q to manage my trades and teach me and coach me to trade, I think I would have saved a lot of money. But then again, they say, right, you have to pay to learn, right? So basically, I paid like millions to learn this lesson. Okay, guys. So basically affected by the epidemic, the world's economy and financial system is facing a major reshuffle, guys. You can see that around you. With its unique characteristic, digital currency will gradually replace gold and other general assets, and the era of blockchain is about to come through. Now, of course, guys, gold is gold, right? The physical gold that we wear in our neck, the gold bars that we had, the one we won't replace it, lah. But what I'm trying to say here is cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, to be specific, right, is the digital gold, guys, right? You like it or don't like it, this is where you can make a lot of money, trust me, in cryptocurrency market, but you need to have patience, right? And now with Royal Q bot, I think that will be very easy for you to achieve those goals, okay?
Yeah.
Now, just to share a bit, you can see in the cryptocurrency industry or whether any of the, what they call it, any of the apa dia kata, assets, like any assets, guys, okay? You have those capitals people coming in, capitals. You have the institutional people, and of course, you have the retail people, right? Who's the retail people? We are the retail people, guys, okay? Institutional are people like Tesla and all these companies who came into cryptocurrency recently. And of course, capital, you would have heard about grayscale funds and all these people. So basically, this is a fight between these three people to make as much profit they can from the market. So the capital wants to take money from institutional and retail people. And the institutional wants to take money from the capital and the retail people. And the retail people wants to make money from the institutional and the capital. So this is a game between, so money is, you can see here, money is rotating among all these people, right? So there is a lot of money for us to make in this market, okay? Now, as I told you that the slide is Chinese translate to English, so please bear with me, yeah? So the team behind Royal Q, of course, they are professional. They have experience in 4 years experience in developing quantitative strategies. They have 6 years experience in blockchain industry, investment experience, 3 years of exchange system development and operation experience. And of course, the entire project Royal Q is all done in-house. They did not outsource any of their projects. So the entire thing, 24 hours, 7 days a week is live, which you can see. You can chat with the administrators directly anytime from anywhere in the world. And so that means the entire project has not been, they never outsourced anything. Everything is done in-house, okay? Now, the first thing, guys, what happens over here is, we will first thing have to connect the bot to our own Binance or Huobi account, okay? Via API. Later, when we go to the app, I'll be showing you how to do that. So with the API, we will be connecting the bot to our Binance account. And then what happens, number 2 is, we can trade 50 mainstream currencies in this entire through the bot, okay? 50 mainstream currencies that we can choose to trade. And the best part, guys, number 3, there is no liquidation in spot transaction. So this question I always get, especially since I've been telling my friends about Royal Q, they ask me, hey, how, if I don't want to lose money, so do I lose money in this? Right? Is it like Forex? Suddenly one morning I wake up, my account shows 0. So guys, the good news is there's no liquidation in spot transaction. What is spot transaction? Let me give you a difference, guys. Okay, we have like Forex, right? Those who are trading Forex, right? You will know. In Forex, when you're trading Forex, you are not actually trading the currency itself, guys, but you're trading against probabilities of the price moving up or moving down or sideways, right? That's what we are doing. So in that time, in Forex, we have liquidation, we need to put stop loss, we need to put take profit, all these things we have to do. Why? Because if you don't put a stop loss, the market goes against you and you can end up losing your entire capital. That's Forex, guys, okay? That's Forex. Now, when it comes to Royal Q, they are trading the coin itself, okay? So when they're trading the coin itself, there is no liquidation. So only thing you will have is floating loss or paper loss. Another way to put it is paper loss. So what is paper loss? Let me explain to you. Let's say today you go and buy gold. Okay, you go to the gold shop, you buy 100 grams of gold bar. Okay, you come back home. Next few days later, the price of the gold bar went down. Decreased? Okay, the price decreased. So now, when the price decreased, did you lose money? No, right? No. Because you still hold the gold, right? Unless if you go and sell the gold when the price decrease, then you have actual loss, correct? But before that, you only have paper loss, meaning the value of your asset now is lower. But as long as you hold onto it, you have nothing to lose, right? But if you choose to sell at that point of time, then you have a loss. So this is the beauty here, guys. You don't have liquidation, right? So you don't have liquidation, so you don't have to worry about waking up one morning and your account has been liquidated. Okay, so that's another good thing over here. And number 4, professional digital market research. So the board comes with entire market research. Okay, what we see is we see the interface of the entire settings, sorry guys. But behind it, the board is working with graphs, with Fibonacci extensions, and all these potential turning points of the market. All this is already prepared for you. You just have to go in and it's already calculated for you, all the potential turning points in the market. See guys, that's beautiful. Like for me, I trade myself sometimes you want to know where it's turning. It takes a lot of time to go through and really get the proper calculation for it. Here the board has already done it for you. Okay.
Okay.
So some of the features that they offer in the app itself, you have this double first order thing, you have improved multilingual strategy, real-time trading strategy, professional tracking and replenishment mechanism. This one all we will see later when we go to the board. And for Royal Q, as I told you earlier, it was introduced from China and of course China and Taiwan. And it came into Malaysia when after it's uploaded in App Store and Play Store, Malaysia became famous in Malaysia. And then in Singapore, Thailand, and now many other countries, we are growing rapidly in India, we are growing rapidly in Bangladesh, in Vietnam. So, like it or not, guys, you will, if you don't come in today, if you don't get the bot today, you'll be approached again by somebody else, right? So it's rapidly growing, okay? So how much can I earn with Royal Q quantification? This is a very important question, okay? People ask me, how much can I earn with this Royal Q bot? So guys, currently, Royal Q quantitative monthly income is currently around 10% to 50% a month, guys. Okay. Now, those who hear 50% will say, Alamak, where got such thing at 50%? Guys, trust me, I've seen this bot. This bot is crazy because it makes money. It can do 100 transactions at a minute for you, buy and sell. So that's the beauty of this bot, right? So let me give you an example. Recently, guys, a friend of mine, okay, on that day, I managed to make 5% on that day. Okay, market was good, and my returns for that day was 5%. Okay, but another friend of mine who is lower in capital compared to my capital, that day he made 23%. No joke, guys. He sent me his screenshot for a capital of 400 USD. He made 23% on that day.
Wow.
That is crazy. Okay. Why did I make 5%? He make 23%? Because guys, the bot works very simple. It offers you 50 top cryptocurrencies to choose and pick. So what happens over here? The coins that I picked performed, but not as good as the coins that he picked, right? So the coins that he picked pumped in the market and he made 23%. So this is the thing. Everybody here will have a different percentage, depends on how you are trading and what are the strategies you're using, right? So as we go in the app later, I will show you a few strategies and a few things how you can do, how you can use this app, okay? And of course, they have this compound interest rollover algorithm, whereby your profits and your capital, remember I told you it's sitting in your own Binance account, right? Only accessible by you, only managed by you. The bot cannot take your money, cannot withdraw your money, guys, okay? So whenever you make a profit, the profit goes into your capital. So there's two ways. Either you can transfer the profit out every day to a different wallet, which I will show you later also, or if you leave your capital over there, it also goes on compounding. Basically trying to say the bot will use that also to make more money for you, right? So this is a chart of the compounding interest that you make.
Okay.
So Royal Q quantifies pure profit before counts as commission. So one question people ask me, okay, what does Royal Q get from me? Why does Royal Q want to trade for me? So guys, here what happens very simple. Every single profit that the Royal Q bot makes for you, it is 80-20 profit sharing. 80% of the profit are yours, 20% of the profit goes to Royal Q. But remember I told you earlier, Royal Q cannot take money from your Binance. So basically the entire 100% will be sitting in your Binance account. But there is a what they call it, a feature in the bot where you need to top up that wallet regularly, like a prepaid system. So you need to keep a certain amount of funds over there, 10 to 20 USD. So for that, whenever the bot makes a profit, it will minus off its commission from that wallet. Okay, so you remember guys, you don't put your entire capital in that wallet. You only put 10 to 20 USDT and just top up regularly whenever it's finishing. Why? Because your capital have to be in Binance. Here is only for the commission, the bot can take its commission. So 20% of your successful trades. Then another question someone asked me, how about loss? So remember I told you floating loss, as long as you hold the coin, neither are you losing, neither is the bot losing. But let's say if you choose to close the trade, you don't want to continue, you want to close, you're willing to take the loss, the bot will not charge you anything. The bot only takes profit when you make profit, guys. So just remember this, the bot only makes profit when you make profit. So what is the goal of the bot? Is to make you make more profit so that the bot can make more profit, okay? So Royal Q also shares to make money. So when you share this Royal Q app to others, your friends, when they start to trade and they make money, you also get some profit sharing from Royal Q. This one is not my part to share today. We have later a superstar in our group who will come to share about this. Those who are interested can stay back after this one to see that part. Okay, this is optional, guys, but of course, it's never, it does not hurt to make extra money, right? And this is not MLM, guys. When you look at this, you say, okay, this is MLM. This is not multi-level marketing, but this is affiliate marketing, guys. Yep. So it's not compulsory, but if you have friends you want to introduce, this is where you can take advantage of, okay? Now, what is the team's vision for Royal Q's team's vision? Is to make trading easier, return investment to life, give investor more peace of mind, and quantitative financial management. So on this part, introduction for Royal Q done. We'll go next to the bot, guys, okay? The app itself. Simple. All you need to do is you just go to your Play Store, okay? You go to Play Store, you just search for Royal Q, okay? And when you search that, you will get the link over here. This is where you can download the app, okay? For Apple users, so iOS users, you can do the same thing. You'll be able to find the app. So once you have already got the app, what you need to do is down here, guys, okay? You click register now. So let's click it. So you can key in your email. You can create a password to log in. And the password here, guys, don't have to be same as your Binance password, okay? Just create a new password. Then you request for a code, which will come to your email. And here, if you have a friend who introduce you, you can use their referral code to key in over here, okay? And then you agree to the terms and conditions and you click register. Since you have already done that, once you register, what will happen is you will come to this page. This is where you can log in into your account, okay? So let me log in back into my account. Once you register, you can use your email and your password to log in inside, okay? So once you come in, guys, this is what you will see over here. So when you go to this one up here, API binding, this is where you will do the binding to bind your bot to your Binance, okay? I'll show you that later. Here, the second place is where you look at your revenue, your income that you have made on a daily basis. Here, you can see all the transactions that the bot has done, the buy and selling in your Sun. And then when you want to invite your friends, your referral code will be here, okay? Below here, you can go through this entire thing here, the course, to learn more on quantitative courses and also using the help to see how the bot works and everything. Okay, and then down here is, of course, home to come back to this page. Second here is quantitative trading, where this is where you go and trade. If you know, if you have a bit of knowledge in trading, then this is where you go. You can choose up to 50 coins. I will show you all later. If let's say you don't have any knowledge in trading, then you go to here, circle. What is circle? Circle is a copy trade feature that the bot allows you to copy traders who have been trading here for the last 2 or 3 years. You can look at their results, how much percentage they make over these years. And if you choose, you can follow them. Okay. And then of course, here you have news, all your transactions, messages will be coming in. And then for personal settings, you can go down here. Okay. So before we go to all the personal settings, let me just show you the first thing about is how to do, how to bind. Okay. So for binding, when you click the orange button just now, guys, you'll be able to see Huobi and Binance and Huobi. Okay. Best part, guys, if you got account in Binance and also Huobi, you can connect both of your accounts to one bot, right? That means one bot works in 2 accounts for you. Okay. Helps you to do trading in 2 accounts. Okay. That's the best part. Now, in order, I'm just going to show you how to do the Binance binding. Okay. So we will click on Binance. So what happens over here is you need to get the API key, the secret key, and of course you click the verification code, which will come to your email. And then you click, I've agreed to the risk notice carefully. And then you click bind, the bot will bind. So where do you get this information? Let's go back to our
Binance.
Let's go back to Binance, yeah. So I go into Binance. Now, for those of you all first time register Binance, right, you will see your Binance account looking like this. When first time you download the app from Play Store or App Store, you will see that your app looks like this, okay, where you only have this wallet and everything. So what you need to do is you need to click this human sign over here, okay, up here, this avatar here. You click this one. And then, of course, you need to do your verification of your account. You need to upload your IC or your ID and everything. So once your account is verified, it's better. Okay. Then, can you see this Binance light over here? You need to off this light. Okay. So by offing this light, what happens? You will go from the light version to the pro version. Okay. You need to go into the pro version. So once you come to the pro version, you can see all these deposit buttons and everything here, right? So all you need to do is you click on more, okay? You click on more, and then you go all the way below, and you'll be able to find API key over here. So you click on this API key button, okay? And then you create an API. You can create over here, you key in a name, you just key in Royal Q, and then you click on create API. The minute once you have done that, it will ask you to do some verification. One SMS will come to your phone, you will get an email verification, you just key in everything, then you'll be able to get this API key, okay? So you can see the first word here, API key, you just copy, click the copy button here, then you do what? You go back to our Royal Q, and you paste over here. You paste the API key over here, okay? Then you go back to your Royal Q, your Binance. You click on the arrow over here, okay? You click on the arrow, you'll be able to find secret key. Now, your secret key will be a few numbers over here. Mine is hidden now because of I already set it up. But normally, you show a few numbers. You need to manual copy it. And once you have copied it, you go to Binance back, Royal Q back, and then you key in, you paste the key over here, okay? Once you have done that, you click request for verification code, which Royal Q will send you an email code. Key in the code, select to the, agree to the, I have read the terms and conditions or the notice carefully, click on bind. So binding done. Now, very important, guys, when you're doing binding is you look at the settings below here, guys. This is very important. What is the API restriction? So the bot is only allowed to read and allowed to do spot trading. The others should not be ticked, okay, guys? So some people go tick all. So you get all this. So you don't have to allow enable withdrawal because you don't want anybody to, third party to access your withdrawals, right? So if you want to enable this all, you send me your secret key. Then I will go in and take your money, okay? Just kidding, okay? But what I'm trying to say is, this one all make sure that it's not ticked. Okay, it should not be ticked. Only these two should be ticked. Okay, once that's done, you are safe to start your trading. That means the bot has already bind. Okay, now we'll go.
Bro, that one should be a default setting, right?
Yeah, default setting.
Okay.
That means the settings here, don't disturb anything else. Normally, guys, when you request for it, this one comes, this is how it comes. Don't do any other settings. Okay, just leave it that way. Just double check that this one is off. Okay. Okay, now we go back to our Royal Queue. Okay. So once you've done that, you click bind, you'll be able to see it will change to orange color like this. That means the binding has been successful. Okay. So once that's done, once you've already bind the bot, next you will do what is, you need to activate the bot. Okay. In order to activate the bot, okay, the bot will, you need to go here. You go to mine. Okay. You go to mine. Okay. Clear. Click on mine. Okay. Now, when you come to mine, you'll be able to see, guys, that you have all the settings over here. Okay. Now, the first thing here is up here, you can click on this arrow here to put in your name, maybe a nickname or something. You can check your email. If you want, you can put a picture also, no problem. Okay. After that, what happens is, here, the first one, okay, is professional edition. If you want, you can choose to go into professional edition. When you go into professional edition, you have few other coins will be added to your trading, but those coins come with risk. So when you go for additional professional edition, they will ask you to agree to some terms and conditions. Okay, so that means they add in some more coins that are very volatile in the market. Okay, but my suggestion, if you are new, don't play with this. Okay, just go for the basic edition. Okay. And then you have, of course, you can check again your binding from here and all that. Now, if you want to contact the administrator, you click on Royal Queue feedback. You can straight away chat with the administrator. If you got any questions or what, in English, they will reply you normally within 10-15 minutes. Okay. Now, of course, when you go in, there's a bot. But once you start to type, there is a real person who will communicate with you. Okay. Now, so once you already done the API binding everything, what you need to do, you need to click on asset. Okay. Now, this bot, guys, comes with a payment of USD $100 for a year. Okay. It's a yearly subscription. So USD $100 for a year. Okay. So every year you can just renew it. Okay. Plus, you need to keep about USD $20 in your wallet. So what you need to do is you need to buy USDT, which is USD currency, dollar to dollar. You need to buy $120. Okay. Okay. Why you buy 100? Once you buy the $120 in Binance, okay, you buy it in Binance, guys. You need to transfer it over here. So you click on asset. Okay. You click on asset and then you click on deposit. So when you click on deposit, you will get this address. So you click copy address. Once you have copied the address, all you need to do is go back to your Binance. Okay, now we're on the Binance already. Let me go back. Okay, go to your wallet, because the USDT is there, right? Go to your wallet, and here you can see the USDT balance over here. So you just have to click on redraw and paste the address. Okay, this one. So once you get the USDT in your Royal Queue, you'll be able to see it up here like this. So you just have to go back, and here there will be an activation button. You just click activation. Of course, for mine now shows renew, but if you click activation, they will minus off USD $100 from your account that you top up this now. The balance USD $20 will remain in your trading account, guys. For what? Remember I told you earlier, the bot has a 80-20 profit sharing. Okay. So every profit the bot makes for you, it takes 20%. Of course, the 20% it cannot take from your Binance. Remember just now the setting I showed you cannot withdraw from Binance. So what happens over here is the bot will minus that commission each time when a trade is successfully closed in Binance. The profits already sitting in your Binance account, the bot will minus its 20% from here. So this place, this one, you should regularly check this place So this wallet to see, make sure that you have some money sitting inside here. Don't keep a lot here, guys. 10, 20 US dollars, and then regularly you just top it up. It's good enough. Remember one thing: if you keep $20 here, meaning the bot has to make a profit of 100 USD for you in Binance in order for this $20 to be finished. Correct? So that's the thing here. So you can top up regularly, no problem. Now, so once you have that, you'll be able to start to trade. Now, one question people ask me, hey, what happens if I forget to top up this one? I forget to top up. So basically, this one is actually another name for this is they call it fuel. Okay, fuel also known as petrol, right? So, example, our car today, if suddenly we're driving somewhere, your car has no petrol, what happens?
Stop.
It gets stopped, right? So then you pour petrol, it starts to move. Please don't tell me your car is electric car, because I know some people are telling, bro, my car is electric, bro, no petrol can drive. I know, okay, this is just an example, guys, okay? So basically, for the bot also same. When there is no fuel, the bot cannot work, but it will just stop for temporary. The minute you top up the fuel, the bot will start to work as normal. But just make sure, guys, always this fuel has funds over here so that the bot can continuously make profit for you. Okay. Now, so we have already covered on how to bind, how to activate the bot. Now let's go and see how do we start to trade. Okay. So as I told you earlier, guys, you have two options to trade over here. Number one, if you have experience in trading, you can go to quantification. You can go to quantification where you can trade yourself. Okay. If you want to follow other traders, you can go to circle, whereby you can do copy trade. Okay. For this part, I will show you one by one. We will first go and see if you want to trade yourself. So in order to trade yourself, you go click in quantitative. Okay. You go to click on quantitative. Now here you can find, guys, there is more than 50 plus coins lah. Okay, of course, because I've gone for the professional edition, so you can see this orange color coins has recently been added. So these coins come with high volatility, it's quite risky. So of course, trade with, make sure you know what you're doing. If you are new to crypto, then don't go and buy these coins. Learn first, use the basic edition. Once you have already learned, then you go for the professional edition. Okay. Now, so let's say, for example, guys, you know how to trade and you want to select a coin. So let's look at the coin that we want. I'm going to do a demo. Okay, guys, this account that I'm using is a demo account. It's an actual trading account, but I use this for demo. Okay, my personal trading account is another one. Later, if for time, I will show you. So in this account, in my Binance, guys, I've kept 30 USD. Okay, there's 30 USD only in my Binance account. I'm doing this just for an example to show you how to trade and how to buy and everything. Okay. Now the first step, guys, is that is, okay. Let's say we select a coin. Okay, I want to select ADA. Okay. Now this ADA is also known as Cardano. Okay, one of a very good coin. If you look at this coin 4 months ago, it's only 30 cents. Today the price is 170, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's a very good coin to trade. Now let's say I'm interested to buy ADA. Okay. So first thing, you look at the settings, guys. Okay. Once I click on the coin list, now I came to this page. Okay. So the first setting here, I got setting called cycle. At the same time, you can see there's a setting up here called one shot, right? Now, one shot means, guys, I want the bot to only trade this coin one time. Okay. I don't want it to repeat again and again. But if I want it to repeat, all I need to do is I click on cycle. Now, can you see what happened? This became cycle, this became one shot. Now, if I on my trade with cycle mode, it means that whenever the bot has already closed a trade with profit, it will buy again the next trade. It close again, it will buy again. It close again, it buy again. So this is cycle mode. But let's say I don't want to do cycle mode. I just want to trade this coin, or maybe I already trade this coin 4 times in cycle. The last on the 5th time, I don't want to continue. So what I need to do, I just click on one shot. So in this case, I'm going to click on one shot. So automatically you can see here one shot already. So now when one shot, basically the trade only trades only one time. Okay. Once it closes, it will not open again another trade. Okay. Now the next part here you can see is liquidation. Now what is liquidation? A lot of people ask me, hey, you said no liquidation earlier, now got liquidation here. Now liquidation is basically, guys, if let's say a coin price is making certain amount of profit and you want to get out of the coin, you don't want to wait some more, you can click on liquidation to sell off the coin. Or if your coin is making some losses, paper losses on Binance or on your board, and you choose to liquidate it, you're willing to take the loss on yourself, then you click this. But normally I tell you, don't click this, because you came to the board to make profit, not to get liquidated. So do not click this. If you click this, that particular coin, this ADA coin, will be sold off in the market in Binance. So if it's profit, you make profit. If there's a bit of price differences, the price has gone down, then you will have a incurred loss. That means you have what actual loss. Okay. And then replenishment, guys, is where you can top up funds into the trade. So I'm going to show you how all this works in a while. Okay, first thing is, let's go and see how to buy a trade. Okay. Okay, let's see how to buy a trade. So we click here on trade setting. Okay. So we click trade setting. So now I'm going to click trade setting. Now, minimum, guys, okay, in Binance, people ask me, what's the minimum I can start? Guys, we even can start with 100 USDT in Binance. Okay, that's the lowest. 100 USDT, 100 USDT. You can start to trade. But of course, if you want to make big money or more money, then my suggestion will be at least 500 USD to 1000 USD. Okay, or even more. Okay. Now, let's go back to the settings now. So now I've already clicked on ADA. You all saw the step earlier, right? I just repeat again now, guys. So I clicked here on trade settings. Okay. So trade settings. And now here, I can first select the first buy-in amount. Okay. In this example today, I'm going to only use $10, guys. Okay. So minimum also is $10. So I'm going to use $10 to buy this coin. Okay. Then here, the second option you can see here is open double position. Normally, you don't have to click this. What it means is, now if I on this means, that means for $10, you will buy times 2. That means you'll buy for $20. So if I want to buy for $20, I might as well put 20 over here. I don't have to on this. This is just extra features the bot has given us. Okay, this number of calls, we will come back to it, guys. Okay, take profit ratio is 1.3%. Now, this percentage you can edit. Okay, if you want to put it like 1%, you want to put 3%, I'll explain to you what is it, but you can edit. Then the next one is earning callback, also you can edit, and buy-in callback also you can edit. Okay, now let me explain to you what is one by one. Okay, now first thing, guys, what is take profit ratio? Now let's say you happen to enter the market somewhere here. Okay, you entered the market somewhere here. Okay, and the price started to go up. Okay, the minute the price is, the coin price has gone up by 1.3%, the bot, based on your instruction here, the bot is already ready to take profit. Okay, but it will not take profit immediately. Okay, so 1.3% done. It won't take profit immediately. If the market is still pumping, the bot will still follow the price. Okay, and the minute there is a callback of 0.3%, the bot will execute to close the trade. So I give you another example. You bought the coin price over here. You bought over here, the price is increasing, and then the price starts to turn back. Any turn back by 0.3%, the bot will execute to close the trade, provided it's already past 1.3%. That is how it works. Okay. Now, if it goes further, let's say it goes up to 2% of $10, guys. So the bot will still follow. Now, at 2%, if the price turn back by 0.3, the bot will execute to close. So here, your net profit will be 1.7% of $10. Down here means, okay, another scenario, the price went up to 1.3 and start to turn back, close at 0.3. So your net profit will be 1% of $10, which is sitting in your Binance. Okay, the profit is sitting in your Binance. And if your mode is, if your trading mode is cycle, that means you want to continue. Remember just I showed you one shot and cycle. So if your trading mode is cycle, the bot, once it closes at, okay, once the bot closes at 0.3, another 0.2%, the price goes down, the bot will buy in again the next trade. Okay, it will buy the next trade to go in. But if your trade is into one shot, then this one is pointless lah. It's no use to being there lah, guys. Okay. So understand so far? Okay. So let me just repeat again. The price moving, the minute it reaches 1.3, the bot is already ready to execute to close. But it won't close immediately. It will wait for a callback of 0.3% in order for it to close. Okay. Siapa yang tengah lukis on my screen, guys? Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I know. Okay.
Okay, so this is how basically the that's called trailing take profit lah, guys. Okay. Now let's talk about this one. 7 times what number of call margin call. Okay. So the 7 times of margin call that we see here is actually this one, guys. Okay, is this one below here. Okay. Now first call, second call, there's 7 calls over here. Okay. First to 7 calls. And then this percentage, guys, this parameters over here is fixed by the board, but you can edit it. Okay, you can edit all this, but my suggestion would be don't edit this because these are already calculated point of turning that the board has already calculated based on the charts using Fibonacci extensions. Okay, so the board already knows that potentially if the price happen to come to anywhere down here, there is a potential of the price to turn back. Okay, now let me show you what is this 7 calls means. Okay, now contoh, example, yeah, you bought the coin price here. Okay, you bought the price over here. So once you bought, the price instead of going up, it didn't go up, but the price started to go down below. Okay, so the price started to move below. So when the price is moving below, okay, you bought here, the price is going down. The minute the price goes down by 3.5% from your entry price, okay, automatically the bot will execute to buy again the same coin another 1 time. Okay, so this settings here, guys. This one you can edit. This one you can edit it as how you like it. For example, let me show you. Standard settings are like this. Okay, mana? Standard settings are. Okay. Okay. You saw the standard settings is 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay. I'm going to use this for an example. So now you bought over here, the price happened to go down. Once the price go down by 3.5%, the bot will execute to buy again the same coin times 2 now. 2 times. You can see here. The price went down. The bot will buy 2 times when the price go down to 3.5%. So now your entry price is here, right? The price has come down. The bot bought over here, right? Now your entry price is no more here. Based on dollar cost average, your entry price will be somewhere here, right? So meaning if the market turns back from here, you don't have to wait for the market to go all the way up here to make a profit. But by passing here itself, you already make profit. Remember, guys, this drop here is 3.5%. Your call take profit is how much? 1.3%. So meaning the minute the price pass over here, okay, here to here, you already can make profit almost 3% from your entry. Okay. Now, just to continue the same argument, you bought, the price went down by 3.5%, the bot bought 2 times the coin. Now your entry price is here, no more here. Okay. Then the price again still going down, go down by another 4% from this 3.5%. The bot will execute to buy another 4 times. So meaning your initial capital was $10, $20, now another $40. So 70 USD from your Binance account has been utilized to trade this coin so that the price will become average. So now when the bot buys over here, can you see what happened? Your entry point is no more here, but your entry point is somewhere here. So if the market recovers from here itself, when the bot passes here, you already making profit. Okay. Now some people ask me this question, hey bro, I don't want this one. How do I, if I don't want this setting? No problem. You just go here. You go to the number of calls. You put 0. So you see down here, nothing already, right? Empty already, right? So now your bot is not going to do a calls. Okay, it won't do the 7 calls. But what will happen, guys? You entered here. Okay, price happened to go down by 3% or 4%, whatever. But because you didn't on this setting, you didn't on it, you need to wait for the market to recover all the way up here in order to make a profit, correct? So this entire scenario, you are wasting time, right? So the reason we use a bot so that the bot can help us to do dollar cost average using martingale strategy while we are also sleeping, right? In case the price dumps or goes down while we are sleeping, the bot can faster use that opportunity to buy more positions, and we can make more money in that process, okay? But if you off it, you need to wait until the bot goes all the way here. So my suggestion is, if you're trading yourself, you can edit this even 3 calls, 4 calls, no problem. Suit yourself, okay? Now, in this case, I'm going to put here, I'm going to put the 7 calls, but I'm going to edit the parameters over here because I don't want to put so much. I put here 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 8, 16, and this is 21.
21.
Okay, so I put like that. So basically what happens now, if the price goes down by 3.5%, earlier, remember guys, I opened this position for USD $10 already, correct? If the price go down by 3.5%, the bot will use another $10, here $20, here $30, here $50. So any point of time when the market turn back, all these purchases, including this one, will be sold one shot in the market based on dollar cost average. So you already started to make profit. Okay, guys? So now I've put the setting already. So if you're okay with all your settings, you click up here, you go up here, you click confirm. Okay, so in this case, another thing, guys, I'm going to edit this one. Let's put this 1.1%, this one 0.1%. Okay, okay, so I can edit all this. So I click confirm. So I click confirm. Now you can see here down here, the bot is going to buy first order at $10. My take profit ratio is 1.1%. My first drop is 3.5. Number of cover up is 7. Earning callback 0.1 and buy in callback is 0.5. Okay. So if I'm okay with the settings, I can click start straight away. Or if I want to enter in any specific price, I can put the price here. But normally, if you want to enter market order, you don't have to put the price. Okay. Okay. Where did I go and put this one? I didn't show you, all right? I clicked over here. Okay. You can click here by, if you have any specific price that you want the bot to buy the coin at that point of time, you can put a price. If you don't want, then you just click startup. Okay, so guys, before I click startup, I want to show you all something. Okay, I'm going to take you back to my Binance account and I'm going to go to ADA. Guys, can you all see what is my balance over here?
Ada.
40 cents. Okay,
Yep.
ADA. My balance here is 0.44 cents worth of ADA I have here. So I want to show why I'm doing this. I want to show you when you execute a trade on Royal Q, what happens in your Binance account. Okay. So now we'll go back to our Royal Q, and I'm going to click on this start button. Start. So you click confirm. Keep looking up here, guys. You can see. So you can see numbers are moving. Now, let me just clear this, stop this. Let's go back to home. Okay, can you see, guys? It's already bought for $10. It bought 5.99. Now it's going up a bit. Entry price is 1.71. Of course, the price here is a bit higher now. So we can go back to Binance now. Okay, I refresh this. You see my Binance now? Can you see the 40 cent became $10?
$10.70.
Yes, so the bot has already bought the coins over here on my Binance account using the USDT that was in my Binance, guys. Okay, some people ask me, hey, you sure or not? Okay, now I'll show you. Okay. If you go down here to trade in your Binance account and you click on this thing here, sorry,
We show the
this thing here,
yeah.
it will show you the history. Okay, you go to order history. Can you see my last purchase at 22:18 Malaysia time?
Yep.
Right, 10:18 just now. I bought ADA USDT. So the market, the order has been filled and I've already bought the coin. Okay. Now that's the beauty. That's how simple it is. And now let's go back to our Royal Q. And I go back to home. So you can see that it's red in color because the price is moving up and down. Okay. So this is what happens when you choose, you buy yourself. Now another question people ask me, hey Deepak, they ask me, you sure no loss, bro? Hey bro, got loss, bro. Paper loss, right? Got paper loss, you see?
Paper loss.
This is one of my trade. I didn't keep any extra money in this account because I want to show you all demo. So I will just click on this trade now, Bitcoin one. You see guys, the price when I bought this, I entered this one was $40, 40,600 Bitcoin price at the time. Today, Bitcoin's price is 36,000. So went down by 4,000. To buy this trade, I bought this trade during a demo, but it was good to keep it also. So $10, I bought for 10 USD. Can you see the number of calls here? So the price has gone down quite a lot. By right, it should already made the first call, second call based on my setting. Okay. See my trade setting, guys. I click trade setting. Can you see my setting here? It said that when 3% buy once, 3.5 buy once, 4% buy, twice, 3 times.
Yeah.
But it did not buy because, let me tell you why. Did it buy? You see here, never buy, guys. Okay. Another thing, I click here on log. Okay. You see what log says here is the price came for the call, but insufficient balance in my Binance account. So, let's say people ask me, what happens if my Binance got no money, no USDT Deepak? So what will happen to my trade? No problem. The bot will go try to execute the buy, but if there's no USDT, it will just tell you fail to buy. So when it tells you fail to buy, what happens over here is, you see the price has gone down by 11%, right? By right 334, I should already be on my third call already, correct? But because I didn't keep enough USDT purposely to be frank, just to show for presentation. So now my loss is on floating. Okay, you look here, see here, it's on floating. Now, as long as I don't go here, click on the coin, and I don't go and click pause, and I don't go and click liquidation, I'm not going to lose anything. I'm just going to hold this coin until the price goes back to 40,600, and then I can liquidate, close with profit. Or let's say, another demo, guys. I want to do a dollar cost average now because it never do the calls. So I want to intervene myself. I want to top up some funds in this. So can you see the replenish button over here?
Yep.
So I click on replenish. Look at this, guys. My entry price up here is 40,600, correct?
Yep.
I bought for $10.26. Now you see. Okay. I'm going to top up $10 now. So if I top up $10, now it says my average entry price will become 38,000. This is what the Fibonacci or that's not the calls will do. But so because I didn't keep any money, so if I want, I can manually do it. So I click confirm. Okay. Look here, guys. Look here. Can you see what happened now? My entry price is already 38,198. So if I want to make it lower, I click replenish. Oh, your record in 1 minute. Do continue replenish with one key. Okay. So, son cannot. We can do one time. Wait for a while, then you can do again. If I go to log up here, guys, I go to log. Now you see what it says. Manual buy in. Okay, manual buy in. Successfully bought, filled order coin. at the price of 36,000. So with dollar cost average, it became 38,000. Now, let's go back to my Binance. You see my Bitcoin is $20. Okay, if I go to trades, trade history, just now we bought ADA, right?
Yeah.
Now I just bought BTC. Correct? So as simple as that, guys. Okay, as simple as that to do the what they call it, to use the system, right? It's very simple. Okay, so this is how to trade using quantitative trading, guys. Okay, so you can see my ADA now is already making some already green, blue. So it's up and down lah. Market is like that lah, guys. Okay, I don't have to worry because the minute the price go up here, you see become 1.1%, the bot is already ready to close the trade. Okay, now this is for people who want to trade themselves. Next, we are going to go to the place where Circle. Circle is going to be very fast because it's copy trade. So when you click on Circle, guys, you can see there's many traders over here. Okay, so I'm going to pick 1 or 2 traders just to show you. Okay, the first one, we click Crypto Bull. Now this person has traded and made 3,000%. Now, guys, as I told you, Royal Q was introduced to Malaysia last 2 months. Do you really think that last 2 months this guy can make 3,000%? It's impossible. So this is a guy from China, and he has been trading with Royal Q, I think easily for the last 1 year or 2 years, lah, guys. Okay, so he made 3,000%. If you keen to follow him, you click on this one. Click on the percentage. Then you can see all the coins that he has traded before. If you're okay, sorry, I cancel first. Okay, if you're okay, you click Sync Strategy. Now in Sync Strategy, you can select how many coins you want to follow. So let's say I put $10. Let's say I want to follow 1 coin. Now in here, what happens, guys? Remember I told you 100% profit, 20% goes to bot, 80% goes to you. But now when you use this service, 100% profit, you will the bot will take 20%, this guy will take 0.5%, so your net profit will be 79.5%. Okay, so this is profit sharing. You need to share some profit with this guy. Who are these people? These people are traders who day and night sit in front of the computer to trade. So you follow them, they get some profit sharing, and they will decide when to buy, when to close, what coin to buy. So you cannot decide which coin also. They will decide. Okay, so you can choose to follow. In this case, let's say I want to follow. I click on Sync Strategy. Okay, now the bot has already set. If I go back to my home, you can see that the bot has already this one actually my trade already earlier going on one lah. Okay, going on earlier, and you can see that the coin has been trading over here, XRP. Can you see the word here, Sync Strategy? So the bot is trading. Here cycle, here one shot. So this is my personal trading. This and this is personal trading. This is copy trade. Copy trade. CT, copy trade. Okay. So copy trade is very simple. You can choose any of it. To know more, I just show you transaction here. So every transaction that we have done on the bot, it shows. See, I bought BTC manual just now. I bought ADA, XRP, Swan, and then the profits you make. So where the profits are coming from, you can see all green, guys. You can see red, okay, guys, you see red. Now this is a loss, but can you see the word over here? Manual sell. This one, I myself sell. Just I was doing a demo that day, last presentation. So that time I clicked on this and we had a loss over here. But this is a loss that I did myself. The bot will never do a loss for you because remember what I told you earlier, the bot only makes money when you make money, guys. Okay. Now, so this is for me on the presentation of the bot.